To begin, log into your CSU Outlook email account with your CSU ID at csuohio.edu and your campus password. Once logged into Outlook, we will use the icon menu on the left-hand side of the screen to open our Outlook calendar. And to schedule a new event, we will click the New Event button. In this window, we can enter the details of our event or meeting, such as adding a title, inviting individual attendees, setting the start and end time of the meeting, or setting a room or location of the meeting. To add this meeting directly to our Zoom schedule, we will navigate to the toolbar at the top of the box and select the blue Zoom add-in icon. And in the drop-down menu, we'll select Add a Zoom Meeting. You should see a pop-up box in the middle of your screen notifying that the Zoom app wants to display a new window. We will navigate to the bottom of the box and click Allow. If you are not already logged in to the CSU Zoom web portal, you may be prompted to log into your account at this point. Remember, always use the SSO option when logging into your CSU Zoom account. For step-by-step instructions on this process, please see our Zoom SSO tutorial. When signing in, if you are prompted to enter a company domain, in the domain box, enter CSU Ohio, all one word, and click Continue. Once you have successfully logged in, the Zoom add-in will automatically generate a meeting based on the details from your Outlook calendar. Email us at instructionaltech@csuohio.edu or visit our virtual Zoom help meeting Monday through Friday, 8:30 to 5 at https://csuohio.edu/zoomhelp.